YouTube family. Hope you guys are having an amazing day out there wherever you guys are from. And in today's video, I found myself yet another unique place which is back there. Alright, so if you look at this place, it looks like any other house, right? Just like some common house with laterite stones and a unique Indian style roof with those tiles on top. But guess what? What's really unique about this place is it's an abandoned house and there's a cave attached to it. Literally, if you look at it, it just looks like any other house, right? But there's actually a cave inside. So come along with me, let's get inside and explore this place now. Alright, so as you can see, it's just got a normal door. I don't even think they've painted the door. Looks like they put some primer on top of it. So let me just take you guys inside now. Alright. Wow, looks really spooky inside. This is the inside of the house. Looks like a pretty big space here. I don't know what they used it for. Maybe meditation or just coming, like chill out or get away from the city. So it's got like two doors here and laterite stone walls. There's also tile roof here. The tiles that you see in Karnataka, the same old school tiles here. And if you see here, there's like one door here. Alright, let me just put that straight for you guys. If you open this door, well, let me show you what's inside. This is pretty much nothing here. Alright, looks like an open space. Alright, let me show you inside. And yeah, that's my dog. Say hello to my dog there. He's pretty excited to be here inside also. And if you see here, there's like a massive rock here, like a really big rock. So this place is pretty much nothing. It's just like an open place to, like, I don't know, maybe cook something. I really don't know. Okay, so the other side there is the entrance to the cave. Alright, I also got myself a torchlight. Alright, so this is where the magic is. You guys are gonna be like amazed by looking at this. Wow, come check this out with me. Do you see that? There is like a cave inside the house. Alright, and it looks like really scary and stuff. Let me try to get in there and show you how it looks inside. This is the inside. Alright, you see it's like it's like a huge rock that just like fell over, and like a cave that's formed inside there. Looks like a perfect place for like meditation and stuff. Let me show you inside. Wow, I can also see some water seeping inside, and you can also hear some water there. Wow, this is crazy. You see, it just goes all the way inside there. Let me try to turn my flashlight on, which isn't working in the right time. Alright guys, so yeah, this is how it is inside. Wow, there's like water all over here. Water seeping from the earth, I guess. Wow, it actually looks like a really peaceful place to like chill out and like do meditation and stuff here. Perfect place for that. Let me take you guys inside a little more. You see there? Wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. You see that place? So it's like a rock that's like fallen over and just created this. Wow. This is amazing, and it's kind of scary also inside here, but at the same time it's like peaceful. Let me see if I can change this. Yeah. Hope you guys can see this much better now. Wow, this is one unique place in the coastal Karnataka. To be precise, it's 40 kilometers from Udupi. If you guys want to come here, you can check it out. Put a link, put a comment in the comment box. I can give you the exact location of this place. If you guys want to know more about this place and explore here, you guys can come here. So check out this. This is amazing, right? This is unexpected and amazing. So yeah, so this is where I came from. There's also like a stairway to like come. Alright, so that's the house. Right? You say hi to my dog there. Alright, so this is the place that I found, and hope you guys liked the video. And like I said, if you guys want to know more about this place, put a comment there in the comment box. I can give you the exact location of the place. And yeah, if you guys like the video, put a thumbs up, give it a like, and yeah, make sure that you guys subscribe, because I see most of you guys aren't subscribed. Please do subscribe so I can make more amazing videos like this for you guys. Alright, take care, bye.